Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to create this makeup look using very affordable and budget friendly products. So this video is mainly for teenagers who have just started going to the college and they are looking for any budget friendly product for creating the makeup look. In the starting of the college we have to attend so many college parties and we have to go out with the friends, so we always wanted to look presentable. So for you all I have come up with some products that is budget friendly and will give you the glam look. So without wasting any more time, let's begin the video. So मेकअप को शुरू करने से पहले इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू क्लीन योर फेस एंड मॉइस्चराइज इट. सो वट एवर मॉइस्चराइजर एंड सनस्क्रीन you are using on daily basis, you have to apply that product on your face. And if you want to use the primer, then go ahead and use it, but I'm not using here because the products I have used for prepping my face, that is already having the primer quality, so that is why I'm not applying the primer. So I'm directly applying the foundation. So for foundation I'm using Blue Heaven Hyper Matte Foundation with SPF 25 PA++, and I'm in the shade Vanilla 101 Very Fair. So this foundation is very nice. This does not clog your pores and it is very lightweight and it will stay throughout the day on your face, and it will not melt. And this retails for 200 rupees and the shelf life of this product is 1 month. So whatever I'll tell about this foundation, this is a really nice foundation I found in the budget friendly category, and this does not oxidize as well. So that is a really nice part about this foundation. So I'll highly recommend this product to you. So this is my most favorite product of this video. So go girls and try this product. Okay, so after applying the foundation, I'll move towards the Blue Heaven All-in-One makeup stick, Silk Matte in HD, and this stick is also really nice. So I'm using this stick as a concealer here, and this will stay up to 12 hours. And whatever foundation or the concealer you're applying on the face, so always make sure you are blending it correctly. And here I'm not using any brush and the sponge. Why? Because I want to make this video as a very budget friendly, so I don't want you to spend the money in the brushes or the blenders. So you can use your fingers and blend out the products really nicely. Okay, so now here I'm using the Blue Heaven Intense Matte Lipstick in the shade Heartbeat 303, and I'm using this as a eyeshadow and the blush. And the same lipstick I'm going to apply on my lips as well later. So here I'm not using any eyeshadow or blush separately because again this is a budget friendly video. So the same lipstick can work as an eyeshadow and blush, then why to use any other product? Okay, so now it's time for compact. So for compact, I'm using Blue Heaven Oil Control Compact Powder in matte finish, and it is also having the SPF 25 PA++. So summer season के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा compact powder है because this controls the oil from the face. So compact apply करने से पहले make sure जितने भी cream product आपको apply करने हैं, apply it first, then apply the compact powder, जिससे कि आपने जितने भी क्रीम प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई किए हैं अपने फेस पे वो सब लॉक हो जाए फेस पे एंड बिल्कुल भी मेल्ट ना हो. समर सीजन में स्पेशली आपको इस बात का ध्यान रखना है. एंड कॉम्पैक्ट अप्लाई करने के लिए मैं उसके साथ जो स्पॉन्ज आता है मैं वही यूज़ कर रही हूँ. अगेन मैं यहाँ पे कोई और ब्रश या फिर ब्लेंडर यूज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ. यू कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई द कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर यूजिंग द स्पॉन्ज विच कम्स विद इट. So here I'm using Blue Heaven Brow Perfect Eyebrow Enhancer. So this comes with spoolie. तो इसके एक साइड पे spoolie होता है और दूसरे साइड पे eyebrow enhancer होता है, मीन्स eyebrow filler होता है. तो हमारे फेस का आई थिंक जो मेन सेक्शन होता है वो आई सेक्शन एंड ब्राउ सेक्शन होता है. अगर हमने उसका मेकअप अच्छे से कर लिया देन आई थिंक हमने ऑलमोस्ट मेकअप अचीव कर लिया है एंड हमारा फेस ऑलरेडी अच्छा लगने लगता है. So you can clearly see the difference between my left and right brows. Now let's apply the eyeliner. So for eyeliner here I am using Blue Heaven Intense Kajal Plus Liner Duo in the shade black. तो ये जो प्रोडक्ट है इसके एक साइड पे काजल होता है एंड दूसरे साइड पे आईलाइनर होता है. तो अगेन दिस इज़ अ बजट फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज आपको एक ही प्रोडक्ट में दो चीज़ों की क्वालिटी मिल रही है. तो फर्स्ट लेट्स अप्लाई द आईलाइनर, देन विल अप्लाई द काजल. Okay, now it's time for mascara. So for mascara here I'm using Blue Heaven Extreme Length Mascara in the shade black. So apply the mascara on upper lids and do not forget to apply the mascara on lower lids. So otherwise it will look incomplete. So always apply the mascara on upper and lower lids both. So with this my eye makeup is done, and now let's apply the lipstick and get ready for the party. So here I'm using the same lipstick from Blue Heaven Intense Matte in the shade Heartbeat 303. So this is the same lipstick which I have used as my eyeshadow and blush. I hope you liked today's video. Share this video with your friends and help them also to get ready for the party. And for complete outfit details, you can follow me on Instagram and get all the details. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.